and are about to conclude, get everybody on board in relation to the Africa Free Continental Trade Area, which will remove all barricades to trade within Africa, amongst African countries, and increase the volume of trade amongst the African countries. And that is a population of about 1.4 billion. And that's a very young population whose dynamism and youthful vitality will drive the economy. And by 2050, we will have a much larger population and we will be the youngest continent in the whole world. So Africa has huge potential. But Africa can maximize on the benefits of this potentiality by ensuring that it has stability politically, it has institutions that are durable, that can sustain the countries outside of individuals, and that the economies grow, and the GDP of each country and collectively of the African continent is increased exponentially, as it should and can be.